Have you ever woken up, grabbed your phone, scrolled for 30 minutes, and then wondered why the rest of your day feels rushed, unproductive, or just off? You're not alone. Most people waste their mornings without even realizing it. And that small mistake, made every single day, is silently killing your focus, productivity, and potential. But the good news? You can fix it. Not by waking up at 5 a.m. or doing cold showers, unless you want to, but by reprogramming your mornings to actually work for you, not against you. In this video, I'll show you why your mornings matter more than you think, the 3 biggest mistakes you're probably making, and how to build a simple, powerful morning routine that transforms your entire day. Let's get into it. Why mornings are critical. Imagine your brain as a sponge. When you wake up, it's dry and empty, ready to soak up whatever you give it. That's why the first 30 to 60 minutes of your day are crucial. Your brain is in a state called theta, which makes it highly programmable. This is the same state you were in as a child, learning languages, behaviors, and emotions at lightning speed. Now ask yourself, what are you feeding your brain first thing in the morning? Is it Instagram drama, news headlines, stressful emails? If so, you're programming your brain to be reactive, anxious, and distracted. And that state stays with you the entire day. Mornings create momentum. If you start your day distracted, you stay distracted. If you start your day with purpose, your brain follows that pattern. That's why elite performers, athletes, creators, they all protect their mornings like gold. And if you want to take control of your life, you must take control of your mornings. The 3 morning mistakes destroying your focus. Mistake number 1, checking your phone immediately. This one is huge. The moment you check your phone, you give away your attention. You start reacting instead of creating. Even just 5 minutes of scrolling can flood your brain with dopamine, stress, or comparison. And now your mind is no longer your own. Solution: delay screen time. Even 20 to 30 minutes of being phone-free can reset your mental state. Start your day with yourself, not someone else's content. Mistake number 2, waking up without a plan. Most people stumble into their day. They don't know what they're working on, what their priorities are, or even what time it is. When you start your day like this, you lose hours to confusion, hesitation, and distractions. Solution: plan the night before. Write down 1 to 3 high-impact goals. When you wake up, you know exactly what to do. No guesswork, no time wasted. Mistake number 3, rushing everything. When you're always in a rush, your mind gets stuck in survival mode. Your nervous system stays tense. Your thoughts scatter. Ironically, rushing actually slows you down. Solution: wake up 30 minutes earlier. Just 30 minutes of calm in the morning can give you the mental space to think, breathe, and move with purpose. The simple fix: build a morning launchpad. You don't need a perfect morning routine with 10 steps. You need a launchpad, a simple system that boosts your energy, focus, and mood in the first hour. Here's a sample routine that takes less than 60 minutes but rewires your day. Step 1. Wake up and hydrate, drink water. Your brain is dehydrated after 7 to 8 hours of sleep. 1 glass can kickstart your system. Step 2. No phone, breathe instead. Sit, breathe deeply. Let your mind wake up naturally. You don't need to do anything yet. Just be present. Step 3. Move your body. Stretch, walk, do light exercise. This boosts blood flow, wakes up your muscles, and clears mental fog. Step 4. Journal or think, grab a notebook. Write freely. What are you grateful for? What are your 3 goals today? Or just let your thoughts out. This clears mental noise. Step 5. 1 mindful activity. Read a few pages. Sit in silence. Meditate. Eat breakfast slowly. Whatever grounds you. The point is to be intentional, not reactive. Optional. Step 6. Review your plan. Look at your top 3 goals. Visualize them done. Prime your brain to focus. If you follow even 50% of this, no scrolling, simple movement, some reflection, you'll feel it. Not just in your mornings, but your entire life. Final message: You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be aware. Because every morning, you're either designing your life or drifting through it. So tomorrow morning, make a choice. Will you keep wasting the most powerful part of your day, or will you take back your mornings and with them, your future? Common excuses and real examples. You might be thinking, but I'm not a morning person. Or, my schedule is different every day. Or even, I've tried morning routines before, and they never stick. Let's talk about that. Excuse number one, I'm not a morning person. Truth is, no one is born a morning person. It's not a personality type. It's a pattern. If you stay up late scrolling or binging Netflix, of course you'll feel awful in the morning. But with just a bit of consistency, even 3 to 4 days of sleeping earlier and waking with intention, your body and brain will adjust fast. And the benefits? More clarity, energy, peace, and time. Time for you. Excuse number two, my schedule is inconsistent. Even if you work shifts or have kids, there's always a window, even 15 to 20 minutes, where you can own part of your morning. It's not about perfection. It's about carving out space, even just to breathe, reflect, and set your mind. That alone makes a difference. Now let me give you a real example. A friend of mine used to wake up every day with stress, late alarms, missed breakfasts, chaotic mornings. He always felt like he was chasing the day. So he tried something small. He stopped checking his phone in the first 30 minutes. Instead, he stretched, drank water, and wrote down one goal. That's it, 15 minutes total. And in 2 weeks, everything changed. He felt more focused, less anxious. He even started sleeping better because his body was no longer stressed in the mornings, all from a tiny change in his first 15 minutes. That's the power of habit momentum. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. You just need to start with one part of your morning, because how you start your day is how you shape your life. Call to action. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. And drop a comment below. What's one small thing you'll remove from your morning and one thing you'll add? Because small changes create massive results.